Hey guys, Jack Attack here, and today I'm going to be making a PvZ video on the final boss battle on the beach. What's the name called again? Hold up, let me see. Yeah, and Warbots is not updating on the new update for me. Have lots of storage for it. Just won't update. It just goes to says installing and then just doesn't update. So we're on Big Beach Wave. Is that the name? Yep, we are on Big Beach Wave. So we're going to be doing the final battle, so let's get into it. Plan to make a Warbots video on the new update and probably do qualifying battles if they're up right now. Last time I made a video doing the qualifying battles, there's like 27 days left, or 29. So I think there's a few days left. Just want to play the new update, man. But I always make a PvZ video on these final Dr. Zomboss battles. I just really stopped making the videos on this, like for the levels unlocking plants. You guys seem to like Warbots. And so I just decided to do Warbots and do the final battles whenever I see this. Okay, let's get these guys down. Never mind, he sucks us into his vacuum. We're just going to get him to shoot at him. Let's go bowling for a bit. Okay, I can't place him in the water. Can the sharks? Okay, the sharks just eat your plants for some reason. Shoot, I need to kill these guys. And he just eats our plants. You kill him. Did it not shoot at him? It didn't fire. And he's gonna... Oh, never mind. I thought he'd destroy my plants. Let's let him get eaten. This guy doesn't multi-kill, which is the bad thing, I don't think. He's just going to eat my plants. I missed the opportunity to fire. Hey, this guy's lots of health. The boss. Okay, you know, I'll just save these. Okay, the thing is, he just eats the plants. I don't know if there's a way to counter that, or you just can't stop that. Let's fire another banana at him. And he's gone. Will he dodge this one again? Nope. Alright, we got one chunk of his health off. Let's keep shooting at him. And he's over here. Well, this guy locks onto him. He's gone again. Come on. Now, I'm just going to place these guys around just in case he deploys more zombies. I'm just going to place these guys around. Fire. Oh, we got a Gargantuar. You know, I'll fire off this guy. Fire him off one more time. This Gargantuar is really low right here, the front one. Okay, he's dead. There's 3 of them now. And he's going to suck all my plants up. Okay, he's half health, I think. Oh, he's gone. Okay, we almost got another bar off of this boss, off of Dr. Zomboss. I'm just trying to complete games that I have on my Android, and I'm trying to get storage back, because like I do play a lot of other games, and like I want to complete them. Well, I play on an iPad right now. It is playable on PC. Okay, let's get more plants down. Okay, these guys are ready to fire. Okay, he's not eating my plants now. No, I hate these guys, bro. They just turn your plants into sushi. Or just an octopus, and then if you kill the octopus, it's sushi. Okay, it's fire. Banana mortars. Okay, let's kill this bucket head. Oh, there's already one guy there, and there's another. Okay, he's about dead. Just need to get through his last chunk of health. Okay. Shoot a banana. Activate, but no. Oh my goodness, you take him away at the last second. Where'd you go? Okay, he's almost dead. Oh my god, it's a lot of zombies. Okay, keep placing these guys up. He's just eating every plant I put down. Okay, this guy's turning my stuff into freaking octopus. Shouldn't have placed that guy there. Should have placed him over here. Get rid of you. Don't you dare. Oh, he died. Alright. Now we can unlock modern day. Alright, here, let me just claim all this stuff. See the writing. Alright, I'm back. Let's claim our pinata here. Okay, quack. I'm not really reading the names because I'm just spamming. Man, we got a lot of seed packets. You get other stuff in here? Nope. Alright, now let's do first level of modern day. Oh my god, no. Alright, I'm back. I'm not getting copyrighted for that. Alright, now let's unlock modern day. Wonder what this portal is for right here. Is this a future update or something? Alright, modern day has the most levels. Alright, let's do the first level. And if you guys want to get a shout out, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. And I'll write your names down and I'll shout you guys out. Alright, it's just basic zombies, just like in the old one. But they're very strong and hard to beat as well. You have lots of plant choices. I'll just go with these guys. I need to use my powered up plants because I just keep having them piled up and can't get better plants because I'm not using them. Because I want to use them, but then I see the level and the zombies and how it plays out, and I have a plan for it. So need strategies. Okay. Will lava guava kill him? Yes, it will. Just a normal zombie. I think I should have used primal potato mine since he takes a shorter amount of time to bloom or come out of the ground. Blooming's for flowers, so yeah. Okay, we got this guy. Let's just go bowling quickly. Alright, huge wave. What the? Oh god, one of these. Heck nah. Okay, I'm gonna get an infinite down. I didn't know these portals were in modern day. Now I'm screwed here. Okay, give me stuff. Okay, just get behind the shield there, buddies. Oh, I can see first level of modern day. It's this guy back from ancient Egypt. Hey, there's a plant. How do you get through? Okay, so I see modern day has portals that summon zombies from other levels. And I hate these parrots. He's going. And the shield's down. I need to get this cone zombie back. Okay, get the buckets. Nope, you ain't eating that. Where'd the shield go? Oh, he's rolling the barrel over it. How do I tell these portals come out of nowhere? Or like just are in the level? Oh my god. Alright, now that I know this stuff happens. Okay, I'm about to die. Well, not really, I still have my lawnmowers, but like... Okay, this guy's dead. Okay, Alright, there's the first level of modern day completed. What's this plant? Moonflower. Alright, let's just get this stuff quickly. Oh, I can already upgrade her. Alright, let's do the next level quickly. Oh my goodness.